Hey, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day today. I needed to do a little bit of sharpening, a little bit of maintenance on my let's use kitchen knife. It's a Daiwa Bunka and it's in 52-100 steel. So, thought I'd bring you along. I've got everything clamped up, all that good stuff, save a little time. And I'm gonna do 140, 300, 600, and then strop it with a 6 micron, which is my normal progression for kitchen knives. So, got a little bit of paper here just to show you guys that it's not sharp. It wants to fold the paper rather than cut it. So, let's see what we can do here. Sharpie the edge up. It is pretty dull. I've already found the angle before. Like I said, save a little time. But I've got a few other videos if you need help finding your angle, that sort of thing. You can check those out. I have checked it on both sides just to save a little bit of time. Do a little bit of work. I'm not looking to burr on the first side. I will say I really do enjoy this knife here. It seems like the steel is hard, and the more you sharpen, if you're an experienced sharpener, you'll understand where I'm coming from. In the fact of, you can tell when a steel is hard, you can tell when it's kind of like Play-Doh. And this is really nice and hard steel. It's ground really thin, makes a great kitchen knife. I use this for everything. Like I do meat processing, I do all kinds of different stuff. Let me see if I've got a burr. And actually I have a burr, I don't know if you can see it, maybe a little from heel to tip already. That's the good thing about these thin blades. Let me just do just a little more work on this side really quick, just a couple. Hopefully staying in view. Having to twist the system around a little bit to accommodate for the camera and tripod. See if I got a burr that side. Yep. So we are burred. Okay, let's knock that off real quick. I do one on this side. Okay. Let's change your stone. I really like the 140, 300, 600 grit progression. It just seems to provide a really good edge for what I do. It's actually the same progression that I use when I do my EDC knives as well. I just really enjoy that grip progression. You can probably hear the sound difference. Switching up to the 300. It doesn't take long to get out those scratches and refine it a little bit. With having this direct light above, it really helps to see. I always spend a little extra time on those tips and heels. It really helps to see that scratch pattern change. And I don't need to spend a whole lot of time on this, especially where we're just going for sharp. Now if I was going to mirror polish this, then I would spend a little extra time with refinement and scratch pattern alignment. But if you're just wanting sharp, it's really quick going through the progressions. Most of your time will be spent on that first stone, and then 2, depending on blade stock thickness, and then have you sharpen that knife on the KME previously before can help as well. Once you have that initial profile fixed, the subsequent sharpenings are pretty quick. Now we're going to hit it with our 600 grit. Much smoother. You can feel it as well when you're switching in between the grits. You can feel the knife and the stone on the edge. It start to glass in a sense, not glassing out the edge, but you can feel that it smooths out a lot. Alright, let's knock that burr off, and then we'll do a little bit of stropping. And then we'll be ready to see how sharp this thing is. Alright, we do a couple single stroke passes, and then let's throw it on that strop. I really like the double clamp setup on the new KME Precision Control Plus, as well as you can get the double clamp bar for the original KME. I always call it the OG KME, but I really like the double clamp setup. It's really nice, especially for larger knives and more flexible knives. So let me switch over to a strop really quick. We already went through the 140, the 300, and now the 600. I'm going to strop the edge with 6 micron KME Diamond Emulsion. Let me clean off the edge really quick. I always recommend cleaning off the debris from sharpening before you strop. Keeps your strops cleaner, and less chance of cross contamination of any particulates on the knife itself. All right, let's do a little bit of stropping really quick, like 8.5 minutes with me jibber jawing. This Diamond Emulsions, I don't know if you guys have ever tried it, but if you haven't, you guys need to really give it a try. It is my favorite stropping compound that I've ever used. Do a couple strop strokes on this. Doesn't take much. You can strop it more. It's already starting to shine a bit. I'll see if I can't show you guys that in a minute. Let's just do one more on this other side. All right, you take this out. We'll set this in the back on top of that. So, as we've seen, it was pretty dull earlier. Let me get same piece of paper. I mean, that screams sharp. Let's get it out of the clamp real quick and look at it. I really love these knobs because they're so easy to use. All right, let's wipe this off really quick. All right, what do I have? It'll be semi-reflective. I don't know if you can see that. It's not a mirror, but it's kind of reflective. Let's see if we can get this side. Anyways, it's just a 600 grit edge. Give me a piece of paper. Show you guys what we can do real quick. Piece of magazine paper, and that is absolutely a laser beam. So thank you guys for coming along with me. I really appreciate you guys watching. And I got some awesome news. I am now an affiliate with KME Sharpeners. So now you guys can support the channel by using my links that I will link down in the description below. I'll link the system that I'm using, the Precision Control Plus, and then I'll also link the Diamond Emulsions that KME sells. I have those down there. It doesn't cost you guys anything. You don't have to use them, but you can use those links to support the channel, help me be able to do more videos like this. But thank you guys. Thank you KME for allowing me to do that as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, just answer below or ask below and I'll answer. But besides that, as always, I hope y'all have a good one.